The sound of A. Listen and sing along. And see, the ant says says the letter A. I eat an apple, apple, an apple for Nancy. The sound of B. Listen and sing along. B, 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 the letter B is fun to say. Say after me. B, 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 an easy sound for bear and peach and a ball so round. The sound of C. Listen and sing along. K, 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 the letter C in cake, car, and cabbage too. K, 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 sing with me for cat and camel and cow. Moo! Sing along. I am a tree, this is my song. I have a trunk, tall and strong. I have branches thick and wide, where birds and bees love to hide. I have leaves, I have fruits, I have flowers and deep roots. I give you food, I give you wood, I give you shade in your neighborhood. I am special. This is me, this is me. If you look, you will see. If you look, you will see someone very special, very, very special. This is me, this is me. Ally and Nancy. Ally is an alligator. Nancy is an ant. Ally and Nancy are best friends. Ally has an apple on his nose. Nancy sits on a rose. They have lots of fun. Bob the bear. Hello, I am Bob the bear. It is my birthday. Here are the bees, butterflies, birds, and bugs. They are my friends. Carl the baker. Here is Carl the baker. He bakes a carrot cake. He bakes some cookies too. His shop has lots of candy. Carl the baker. Here is Carl the baker. He bakes a carrot cake. He bakes some cookies too. His shop has lots of candy. Yum!